Right, hello guys and girls on YouTube, welcome back to another video. And today we're doing another unboxing video of some more stuff. So, I've already got the box open because on that side of the lid my address is on there. So, yeah, I've also cut the tape as well, so that way I'm not having to do things one-handedly. But yeah, let's take a look at what's inside the box. So first of all we have a crap load of newspaper. I literally do not know what's in here. It was just a random box of stuff put together. Okay, well, there's something here in it. Oh! Hello. Well, look at that. What do you know? We may have some more lift equipment. So we have a Thames Valley Lift Company XVI unit. This is where you connect your call buttons, as you can see. Now, this is actually pretty cool, as I never thought I'd actually get one of these. Obviously, it has actually seen its use, as it's got a fair bit of dust on it. Yeah, there you are. Call push, call acceptance, inputs from outputs to car and shaft. Inputs from main panel, that's the position indicator side there. So yeah, I might actually have a go at this off camera and see what I can do with it. See if I can get it to work. Let's see what else we have in here. Okay, so we have an Italian call station here. Gruppo Milipiani. I'm guessing that says. I'm not very good with Italian, but if I actually did well with that, then I'll be damned. It has a DigiLift display. And I don't think it's got a back plate to it. Oh well. I won't be able to wire this up because it's got no thing on the board there, no connector. So I'll have to try and see if I got one of those connectors. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, that's two things from the box. Let's take a look at what else we've got in here. We have a Memcom Aviaire. Again, this is something that I never thought I'd get, but it's pretty cool to have. Again, this is for the collection only. This is not to be used out in the wild because unauthorized use of this sort of stuff can lead to some very serious consequences, and it can lead to a lot of trouble. So these are to remain as collection only, not and never to be used. So what else do we have in the box, I wonder? We have a Memcom Memco. Pretty cool. And here's some more stuff in this box. I'm guessing this is for either the lift alarm or the lift phone. It's got a lot of cable attached to it, so I'm guessing that's actually for the Lift phone from inside the Lift car itself. We also have something inside here. That's what the rubber feet for those memcoms there. So we've also got something inside this box here. DigiLift. I'm guessing this is either a programmer or something else. Some kind of controller. Huh. Well, isn't that pretty cool? It's got all of those style connectors on. And then we've got this big thing here. Not too sure what on earth this is, but I'll be interested in finding out. So that's pretty much everything in that box there. Let's see if I got a bit in my bit set that I can use to open this. Nope, that doesn't fit. That one don't fit. I'm actually intrigued to see what this is. Just give me a minute and I'll eventually have it. I seriously do wonder what this is. Right, there we go. It appears that we have actually got the right one here. Oh, hang on.